Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 4-screen opening video transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select 4 videos here, just at random. Then I'm going to put them all at 50% in the scale. If you want to make it a little bit smaller, you can maybe like put it at 40% or 45 maybe, so that there's like a frame around it. Actually, I might put it at 50% first for everything, and then I'll put it at the edges. Okay. And then I'll put them all at around like 45 or something like that. Oops. Which one is that one? Okay. And then what you're going to want to do next is I'm just going to select these. Let's turn off the main track magnet and place it here first. Actually, I'm just going to leave it. Go to background, select the white stock video, and we're going to freeze frame it. Add in a black stock video next. Add in a video transition and add in the clock wipe one. Okay, and set it to the longest duration. Select both. Right click, create compound clip. Go to blend mode and select screen. And I'm just going to make the beginning of it a little bit shorter. Okay, maybe like here-ish. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.